What's up guys, it's Videomaster 700 and I just picked up these fidget spinners from Walmart today and we're going to do a test. Which one spins the longest? I don't know how I'm going to film this, but let's see what we can do. Here we go. Take your guess in the comments. Which one's going to spin the longest? This is going to be blue or red. If you have said red, yes. The red one spins longer than the blue one. I think because the blue one is one of those knockoffs from China. Well, they're both made in China, but the one that the blue one's from the packaging that says hand spinner, so it's probably not as fast as the fidget spinner on the left. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.